Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming power and connections so you can isolate the console. Remove the power cable, wait 10-15 seconds, then reconnect and power on. This clears transient faults. Next, verify HDMI or AV is firmly seated and the TV input matches. HDMI handshake often causes no signal issues. If you see an error code, write it down. You'll use it to target fixes in the next steps once basic hardware is stable. Once basic hardware is verified, run the Xbox network diagnostic to confirm connectivity and NAT type. This explains multiplayer and store issues. Make sure the console has the latest system update. Outdated firmware creates crashes and compatibility problems. If wireless drops continue, plug in a wired Ethernet cable or move to 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce interference. Also clear local saved network profiles and re-enter credentials. That often resolves authentication or matchmaking failures you might encounter. If problems persist, inspect internal and external storage for corruption and remove recently installed or problematic games. Low or damaged storage can freeze the console. Do a soft reset first using settings right arrow system, right arrow console info, right arrow reset, choosing the option to keep games and apps to preserve content while refreshing system files. If the issue continues, perform a full factory reset and remove everything, but backup saves to the cloud first. Troubleshooting tip: if a specific error code recurs, use its code to search Xbox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.